Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create collages in Google Photos step by step. Creating a collage is a fun and easy way to combine multiple photos into a single image that you can save or share with others. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com. Then sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the Google Photos home page, browse through your photo library and select the pictures you want to include in your collage. You can select multiple photos, depending on the options available in Google Photos. After selecting your photos, click the Create or Add to menu at the top of the page, then choose Collage. Google Photos will automatically arrange your selected pictures into a collage. This process usually takes just a few seconds. When the collage is ready, it will open automatically so you can preview the final result. If you're happy with the collage, it will be saved to your Google Photos library, where you can view it anytime. You can also click the Share button to send your collage to friends or family using a link, email, or your favorite messaging app. Creating collages is a great way to combine your favorite memories from vacations, birthdays, family gatherings, or any special event into one beautiful image. And that's how you can easily create collages in Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.